Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'll show you how you can block TEMU ads on iPhone. Let's get started. So first of all, you have to understand TEMU ads. When you see an ad inside TEMU app, those aren't Apple ads. They are promotional ads sent by TEMU itself and not third-party ads. First, let's stop TEMU from sending promotional alerts. Head back to your home screen, open up Settings. Inside Settings, scroll below, then tap on Apps. Then simply search for TEMU and then tap onto it. Now inside here, simply tap on Notification and then turn Allow Notification to off. This stops TEMU from sending marketing alerts to your lock screen. Now let's turn off ads inside the app. Head back to your home screen, open up TEMU, log into your account, then tap on U icon. Just like that, tap on Messages. And inside here, look for promotional or marketing message and then turn them off or unsubscribe. You can even tap on this little icon right over here. Then tap on Edit to turn them notification off. That is how you can block TEMU ads on your iPhone. Thank you all for watching. If this video was helpful, leave a like and sub, and I'll see you in the next one.